Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? O plus pen plus ear. pen ear. Eye opener. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, team. Hi, everyone, and welcome to our show. Please join me in welcoming back our two returning contestants. On my right, Andrew Berlin. Good to have you back with us, Andrew.
Good to be back.
And Beverly Fuller on my left. Hi, Bev. Ready to do it?
Yes.
Okay, let's not waste any time. Let's get right into game number one, in which this is one of the prizes.
Sea Fashions of California. Sensational bikinis and mayos in a wonderful assortment of fabrics and colors. Swimsuits that make you look and feel terrific. Furnished by Sea Fashions of California. Alex.
And the swimwear can be found on the board right here, hiding behind the lower right-hand corner at position number 25. Ladies swimwear, a Virginia Mountain Lake Resort vacation, also in this game. And Beverly, you get to go first. Remember now, you have one strike against you, and Andrew has one strike against him. So whoever wins this game goes on to play for a car, but whoever loses says goodbye.
Well, let's see what's under number 13.
Red take.
Red take. And number 17.
Green take. Andrew.
Well, let's look for that Virginia Mountain Lake Resort under number 4, possibly.
No window blinds.
Window blinds. I have windows. Match for that under number 16, please.
Washer and dryer.
I can really
no
use
match.
that.
Maybe that trip is under number 7.
Bakery bread
Bakery
maker.
bread. Let's see, number 15.
Bakery bread maker. Yes. For Beverly. Picking up where she left off on our last program, making matches. Open it up. Oui.
Not yet. Number 4.
Window
blinds. I saw that. Where? Number 5.
No. Computer. Andrew?
She wants that computer, I know it.
I do.
Yeah. All right.
All right, maybe that is under number 23.
Red take.
Red take. And we saw that under number 17.
Did we? No, that's the green take. Beverly.
The red take under number 13.
Yes.
And the match under number 23.
23. And if I recall correctly, you like to save your takes, don't
Yes,
you?
I'm known to save
All
it.
right. For a long time. Open these two panels for Beverly Fuller. Keep going.
Number 6.
There's a wild card.
card. The computer. The computer. Number 5. Number 5.
Number 5 for the computer, yes. And the other computer, where is it? At number 20. What's so important about a computer in your life?
A computer. I've wanted a computer all my life. I have to have a computer.
She doesn't even know what she's going to do
I
with
just
it.
have to.
You don't know what you're going to
I
do
have
with
to
it.
have it. That's all. I just have to have
Hey,
it.
that's good enough reason for me.
Okay.
Open these 3 panels for Beverly. See if she can win her computer. Go again.
Number 2. Virginia. Let's
Mountain
see.
Lake Resort holiday.
Let's see. Number 21. Ceiling fan.
No match.
Ceiling
Andrew.
fan. Let's check under number 11.
There's the other wild card.
She's got that take right there.
Yeah,
I'll
just
still have to
sitting
go
right
for
there.
the Virginia Mountain Lake Resort under number 2.
Number 2 for the holiday. Alrighty. The other Virginia Mountain Lake Resort vacation is at position 18 in that center column. We will now open 3 more panels, this time for Andrew. Go again.
Let's take a look under number 12. Ceiling fan. We just saw that under number 21, I believe.
Is that where we saw it? Yes. Good match for Andrew. He doesn't have to worry about this take as long as he keeps making matches. Let's see what these 2 pieces will reveal. Select again.
Number 14, perhaps.
Sewing machine.
Sewing machine. Maybe that's under number 9?
Maybe. Ooh. On the other hand, it could be a diamond and emerald ring. Beverly.
Let's see, number 24.
Wild card.
Wild card. Number 9.
9 for the jewelry. The diamond and emerald ring. The other ring is on the bottom line at number 22. What you going to do with the take? He's put a couple of prizes on his side of the board, including that Virginia Mountain Lake Resort vacation.
What are you going to do with that?
I want the vacation. I want the vacation now. I better get it now.
You heard her, Andrew. She wants it now.
Your computer is history.
Oh, you hear that, Beverly? Fighting words. Your computer is history if he gets control of the board and gets the green take. But right now, take a look.
Oh, I'm not dumb as all that.
I'm not dumb as all that. It's all right. Pick again.
Number 14.
Sewing machine.
Number 1.
Sewing machine. Did you get that little bit of self-control there? Watch me go now. Open these 2 panels for Beverly.
I'm not as bad as all that.
Is it I'm not as bad as all that?
No.
Give it another shot. Make a match.
Number 25.
Ladies swimwear.
Number 3.
Washer and dryer.
Gosh.
Andrew.
All right, I think the washer and dryer was under number 16.
Yes.
And the match under number 3.
Number 3. A lot of prizes up in Beverly's column, but Andrew's in control of the board and perhaps the game. He's in a position to say goodbye to Beverly. Open these 2 panels. It didn't happen, Beverly. You're still alive. Andrew.
Number 8.
Green take.
Number 17 for the match.
Green take. If I recall correctly, your computer is history. Those were your words.
Yeah, bring it on over.
Oh, you want the computer?
Yeah. No, actually, no.
Wait a minute. He's exercising his prerogative.
She's a nice
here.
woman. I just couldn't do that to her. I'll take the Virginia Resort pack.
All right, the holiday coming back to Andrew's side.
Don't let anyone ever say I wasn't nice.
You were a nice guy. Let's see if it pays off here.
I'm not as dumb as I look.
Is that I'm not as dumb as I look? Yes, it is. Steve in the audience is going like, yeah. Let's go to the board, Andrew. You're a nice guy, and you're not as dumb as you look. So there you go. I mean, it all worked out for you. Break it down.
All right, we're looking at the I, am, I'm, not. We have the ass here. There's like 2 asses in this one. Ass, dumb, ass. Are we allowed to say that on TV?
Yes, you are.
As I, the L, then the hook. I'm not as dumb as I look.
All right. Andrew, let me explain something to you. If there are 2 asses present, you are allowed to refer to them. I'd like to step out of the picture now, though. Beverly, gosh, you were sailing along so beautifully for a while, and I was hoping that you'd be able to win the game and pick up some prizes. Unfortunately, you've got the 2 strikes against you, so you'll have to be content with the prizes we have for you backstage.
I had a lot
Sorry
of fun.
about that. Take care, Beverly. All right, Andrew. Oh, these college students, they make it tough for us, don't they, Gene? Tell them about his prizes.
A ceiling fan, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a ceiling fan or other top-name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and a washer and dryer, Gibson's Washmaster automatic washer, designed to save time and energy, plus a matching dryer with vacuum dry system, designed for energy-efficient drying power, furnished by Gibson, and a Virginia Mountain Lake Resort. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Roanoke. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Mountain Lake Resort in Virginia, where you may explore trails, ice skating, cross-country skiing, or just relax by an open fire, as guests have been doing for over a century, furnished by Mountain Lake Resort. And Andrew, this prize package totals $4,340.
Win for you. Whoa. And you know, folks, the prizes are always more appreciated by our contestants if they happen to win something they really need. Now, some players get excited over a vacation. Some players get excited over a brand new car. Andrew got excited because he says, I've lost so many quarters in the washer and dryer back in San Diego that prize really tickles my fancy. We'll see if he can win a brand new car and get excited over that when we return following these messages. I'm not sure this is the part of our game that Andrew really enjoys. He has not done admirably in his previous appearances, but now you've got a little bit more time, Andrew. 15 numbered squares and 3/4 of a minute. That's a full 45 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 4.
Nope.
7, 10.
Nope.
13, 14.
Nope.
4, 8.
Nope.
7, 14.
Yes.
15, 13.
Yes.
12, 5.
Yes.
9, 2.
Yes.
3, 6.
Nope.
10, 3.
Right.
6, 4.
Nope.
1, 6.
Right.
4, 11.
Yes. And here comes the clown and your host. Gene, tell him about his winning.
Andrew, you just won this Plymouth Sundance 2-door. Features a 2.2-liter 4-cylinder engine, front-wheel drive, and an AM/FM stereo. Furnished by Plymouth, a prize worth over $9,900.
Andrew says I got pretty lucky there. I don't believe I did it. $19,177 total prizes for you, Andrew. This is your mother, brother, and the house fool, whose name is
Steve.
Steve, probably your best friend too, and he was very excited and very happy for you, as we all are. Congratulations, Andrew. We'll take a break, folks, and we'll come back with some new players right after this. Great moment for Andrew, going home with close to $20,000 in prizes. And now we welcome 2 newcomers. Let's start with the lady on my left. Pretty young lady is Ann Staros.
Yes.
Hi, Ann. Welcome aboard. Tell me about yourself quickly.
Well, I work at a major airplane manufacturing company in Long Beach, and that's where I live.
Where are you from originally?
I'm from Huntington Beach, so real close.
Married, single?
Single. Looking.
You're wearing some kind of a funny ring here. You're looking, huh? This is a boo-boo here. You got a...
Yes,
what happened?
I got my finger stuck in a car door. So.
Don't do that,
Yes.
Ann. That's bad. You don't want to do that. Ready to play?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, you'll be facing this gentleman. He must be from Texas. His name is Bernie Bob. Bernie Bob at Greenfield. Hi, Bernie Bob. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Fort Smith, Arkansas, and I've been out here in LA for 2 years now. And
What kind of work do you do?
I work at a hotel right now, but I just finished broadcasting school, so I'm looking for a position somewhere in the broadcasting
Are you
field.
single?
Yes, I am.
Like you to meet Ann.
Yeah.
Hi, Ann.
Hi, Bernie Bob.
Bernie Bob. Funny name, she thinks. Here's a great prize for your home, guys. Take a look.
Enjoy a front row seat for hundreds of satellite TV channels. See movies, sports, news, and your favorite game shows with this easy-to-use General Instrument satellite system. Alex.
And where is it on the board? The satellite system is at number 14. We've got $1,000 in our cash pot and end a holiday in Hong Kong. And you go first.
Oh, my God. I'd
You go
love to
first.
find that holiday. Let's look under number 12.
Satellite dish, you
Did we
just saw
just see
it.
that at number 14?
14,
Yes.
satellite dish. There you go. Open it up. Show Ann. Now here, Ann, select again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 16.
Patio furniture.
Let's try to find a match under 9.
Chocolate lover's dream. No match. Bernie Bob.
Okay, Alex, let's see what's behind number 1.
Gas range.
Gas range, that would be nice. How about number 19?
Wild card. You've got a match out of that. The other gas ring, number 17. 3 pieces opening up for you.
No idea.
How do most people call you? Bernie? Bernie Bob or BB?
Bernie Bob, Benny Bob, Bobby Bob. It really doesn't matter.
Okay. BB? Select.
Okay. Let's see what's under number 10, Alex.
Number 10 is the patio furniture.
Patio furniture, and I believe that is under number 16.
Patio furniture is indeed under number 16. Another match for you. Another look at the puzzle. 2 more panels opening up. Select.
Let's go right in the middle under number 13, please.
Green take.
Could be under 24. Maybe.
Could be, but it's not. Chocolate Lover's Dream there, Anne.
Okay, I think we've seen that under number 9.
Right.
And to match under 24.
That's it. Same column. 2 more panels opening up, this time for Anne. Try it again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 2.
Tennis rackets for 2.
Try to match that under 15.
Nope. Garden tools. So Bernie Bob gets his chance again.
Okay, Alex, let's see what's under number 22, please.
Hong Kong.
Whoa.
Whoa,
And I
indeed.
have no idea where that's at. So let's try number 11.
Cash pot, $1,000 there. 2 big
Hong
prizes,
Kong
but
or-
no match. Anne.
That Hong Kong trip looks nice. Let's see what's under number 5.
Cash
oh my
pot.
gosh, and number, oh no, 11.
11 for the cash
Yes.
pot. There's a shot of $1,000 for Ann Starrow. Swing them open. Pick again.
Let's see what's under number 8.
Red take.
And try to find a match in the corner at 25.
Pearl necklace, no match. Bernie Bob.
Okay, Alex, let's see if we can find the pearl necklace under number 4,
Green take.
which is the green take, which, 13?
Yes. Want to save it or do you want to use it?
Let's take the satellite dish.
Satellite dish, good prize. Open the panels. He's got a shot at the satellite dish. Select again. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. We're going to start revealing. You are free to ring in when the little green light goes on, and that will go on as we reveal our first square. Number 2, number 3, 6, 7, 8, 15, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 25. And
Burn the midnight oil.
is it Burn the Midnight Oil? Yes. And the Chocolate Lover's Dream. Come on, Ann, let's go to the board.
Oh
Now you get the fun part.
no. Okay, here we have V and the urn and the V for burn the midnight and the oil. Whoops, burn the midnight oil.
Burn the Midnight Oil. That's a good thing to burn. All righty. Bernie Bob, 1 strike against you, which means you're going to play in game number 2, but right now we'll take you off stage. We'll see you in a bit.
Okay.
And you ready to hear about what you've won? Chocolate Lover's Dream is what you've won. Gene, tell her.
A cash pot worth $1,000 and a chocolate lover's dream. Perone will surprise you throughout the year with a dream gift of chocolate-covered popcorn, chocolate pizza, and mousse truffle chocolates, gifts for the most discerning connoisseur. Furnished by Perone Chocolatier.
Yeah, that's a nice prize. But more important than that is the fact that you're now in the winner's circle, which means you're going to play for a brand new car. Do you need one?
Yes, I do.
Yours in bad shape?
It's okay, but I want a new one.
Oh.
Had it for a while.
How long? 3 weeks?
No, 4 years.
4 years. You're due for a new car. We'll see if she wins one after this. Right, you are. Thank you. Now, you ready to play for the car?
I'm ready.
Good luck to you. Here are the 15 numbered squares and the clock. You're starting with base time, man. Off you go.
1, 4,
No.
7, 10,
No.
13, 2,
No.
10, 2,
Right.
5, 8.
No.
11, 14.
Nope.
8, 14.
Yes.
3, 5.
Yeah. No.
11, 5, 3.
Oh, you said 5.
11, 3.
That's it.
6, 7.
No.
5, 7.
No.
9, 1.
That's not too bad. Hey, you had 3 to go.
Maybe next time.
Made a few mistakes, but that's all right. You've got $1,409, of which $1,000 is cold hard cash,
right. I
which
need
is
that.
really good. We'll take a break. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive Waverly Home Fashions. Soft colors and patches of flowers enhance this lovely bedspread. This traditional floral look is featured in the Southern Charm collection. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Thank you for joining us today. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
This is Greenwood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.